What up, y'all? I was getting some water. Frickin' Bitcoin pisses me off. Motherfucker always moves between midnight and 3 a.m. my time. Always. Really annoying. All right, thank you for listening. That's the end of the stream. Morning, Muhammad. Frank, you're in bingo trade. I'm up pretty good. I want to exit and rebuy. That's always difficult to do. Okay. Oh, wow. Up at 5 now. Jeez. Nice. Which one's bingo? Oh, Bionanogenomics and autism. Wow. Well, I don't really trade these little micro stocks at all, or if I do, very well, so I really wouldn't be the authority. But if you want to get out, man, get out. That's a big gap up, 65% real quick. So I'm not gonna fault you for taking profits in a position like that. Tesla only up a little bit. NIO killing it. 4% on the jump. All right, GDLC finally getting going right. It's not too bad, up 10%. Yeah, I got no issue with BTC. They did it early. I don't even think the futures caught the move. Wow, they're really trying to screw over futures, or maybe. Um, hey, what's up, Ellie? What's up, Rob? What's the BTC? Yeah, Bitcoin futures. Did they get the drop? They did. I knew they were gonna fricking do something like that. That's why I dropped it from midnight to 3 in the morning. I was so pissed when I woke up. I'm like, damn it. Fake stocks, and you're going to talk about crypto. That's funny. I've never put my name from that perspective before. That whole drop happened in 3 hours. I'm pissed. It was funny. Last night I was thinking for the first time in a long time, I should set an alarm. I don't know, maybe because we had a thing, I think it was a. I don't know, Ellie. We're all over the place. So forget it. Don't listen to me. Anyway, Tesla way up here. Sitting at all-time highs, not really going away, still above every moving averages, above trend lines, all that stuff. Right, blockchain leading the charge today. All right, actually 12% is not bad. I was thinking it'd be up more than that, but damn, Ellie, that riot. You guys still got that riot position? That thing is on fire, isn't it? Jeez, I got in riot late, and I'm up like whatever lots of percentages is. AITX. That big ass spike is killing my charts. Okay, yeah, that's up a good amount. Yeah, that big spike the other day, I think, just scared the crap out of a lot of people. Someone fat fingered, they meant 0.041 and they put in 0.41 and they're regretting it the rest of their lives. And they will never not second take a second look at their order before they hit enter again. But yeah, someone got destroyed. So GGLC, that's Bitcoin. Riot is Bitcoin. KG is get you high water. That's doing pretty good actually. That looks like it's about to cross a high. That could be a trend change for KG. Rob. You may I think get your high water. Yeah, maybe it's actually bottomed almost as low as it can go. So not sure I'm ready to jump in on it, but I think it could have a good run going there. GBTC up, NIO up really good. This may be starting a breakout. XPEV up 5%. Logi going loosely. else is here? AQB, Uber's up a little bit. Baidu, everything's up a little bit. Micron is doing good. Micron on Thursday last week. Yeah, great day. Earnings coming up though. You're gonna have to decide if you want to hold through earnings. Tesla 726. All right, yeah, that right blockchain trade, man. Wish I would have gone with those damn options. I'm up 340% in the stock. I'd be up like 800% in the options. Damn me. So happens when I second guess myself. Every time I second guess myself, and then what happens is I start second guess myself on second guessing myself. Then I second guess myself on second guessing myself while second guessing myself. And then I just need to leave. I just need to be done. I just need to like walk away at that point. All right, Tesla, bam, nice. Come on, Tesla. Let's get the leg we know we want. So I can be done with this stupid trade. Morning, Peter. All right, NASDAQ 0.1. Microsoft, is it doing good? We got a whole slew of large caps that we're looking at. Microsoft, all the big ones, most of the big ones. I've got one of my lists around here. I need to get my office back in order, but we're renovating the living room right now, so it's gonna take a while. Yeah, so NIO, Baidu, buying Tesla here. I'm not buying Tesla here. You just have Tesla here. There's a difference. So they hit their 500,000 deliveries by, well, almost less than 500 cars or 500 cars, so way less than 1%. They're hitting it, man. They're hitting it. But we've got all these large caps that we've been looking at now for a couple of weeks as they're forming these larger consolidations. Apple, Amazon, Amazon, still consolidating. Microsoft, when these guys start to get going, watch that NASDAQ go. Adobe, double bottom base. Nvidia. I did enter an Nvidia trade and subsequently exited it, remembering that I'm not Nostradamus. Booking looking pretty decent. FLGT, I think that loosely started to get going. So FLGT on the way up. You may have to wait a couple of weeks for a big move, but it's going to happen. NIO, at least in my opinion. NIO moving, one of the few that's actually moving on my list, and then Baidu. Just great move out of the bull flag. Mishandled this trade too. Haven't been trading the best past couple of weeks. Temporarily moved from Tesla to Microsoft, and I regret every second of it. Yeah, Peter, look, when you're in a winter, man, you never want to give it up. You just don't. You hold through. It's kind of like getting married a little bit. You got to hold through the bad, you know? Can't really, ditch your wife whenever you just feel like it, then come back. Very difficult to get back, especially a really high flying stock like a Tesla or any really big leading stock. You really just want to stay with them. Well, the same way you get Tesla back, you pay a much higher price. If you sell prematurely, like anything in life, you're going to pay a much higher price. And it may be a monetary price depending on your wife. It could be that you're never allowed to have a cell phone again. I don't know your situation, but whatever the price is, it's going to be much higher than the initial entry point. Ellie, I have no idea what you're talking about. Boom, quality advice. You want quality advice, ladies and gentlemen? Come to Real Stocks channel. We're all psychologists. QS with a rough day. Take your word for it. I ain't looking off my leaders. It's all about the leaders today. GBTC, XPEV. I think XPEV's in an interesting place on the chart. It does look like a majority of selling has waned, although we don't really have any additional buying momentum quite yet. Movie theaters? We can take a look. What's AMC doing? Horrible. Ugh. All-time low is 195. We're at 212. I don't know, man. I haven't seen a movie since the whole COVID thing. I thought about it a couple of times, but it hasn't. I was gonna go, and then I forget what happened, but we ended up not going. Um, if Biden gets in, no movies all year. I mean, if Biden gets in, he's the friggin' president-elect. He's getting in. Unless Trump stands at the door with his hands on the door, like, no, what's the password? No, that's not the password. And Biden's like, ah, shit, and just turns around and walks away. That'd be funny. Biden's like, all right, guys, I tried. I guess Trump stakes. That wasn't it. I don't know what else to do. That's all I got. With some references to the 1970s in that Biden babble somewhere. I mean, in theory, you could try to bottom buy AMC if you really don't like your money, and then put a stop at like 190 or something. But this is not a healthy looking stock chart. If I were to put a model book of not looking healthy charts, this would be in it. This does not look good at all. So, but very low risk entry point. 195 is the low. 211. Play with those numbers however you want. You have a very, very small risk. So, I mean, I guess in theory it is something you could try, but be very comfortable taking that loss if that's something that you're willing to put yourself through. It's called catching a falling knife. But think about it. If you're in the kitchen and a big knife falls and you catch it, you're a rock star. So you can be a rock star, have a really bad sliced hand. The choice is yours. And I think Ellie discontinued his bottom buying gloves. So got out of airline stocks. Yeah, I think they ended up, after that second coronavirus strain came out in the UK, I think they started dropping. I think that's also why Brexit happened, is they wanted to have their own strains of virus and didn't want EU regs getting in the way. And so, yeah, it just ended up that way. PLTR. Man, I'm seeing so many people on Reddit just getting destroyed in PLTR. It's pretty sad. You guys should tell them you guys should go over on that Reddit thread and tell them to join my stream. I can't. I will sound like an asshole. No knife catching on XRP. Well, 50 apparently stole your gloves from you because he had a good trade from 17, I guess, to 23. Said he was going to hodl forever, and then capitulated like 2 days later. Sold at 23. At least he's kind of making sense. I don't know if he ever sold from his other buy. His leg up buy was great. That was a fantastic move. But I think he held from. I did a live stream. If you guys didn't catch it, I did a specifically. I timed an extreme stream to sell XRP, and people didn't sell XRP. It's funny. I've never done that before, ever. Silver and gold up today, really. We haven't looked at the metals in a while. Oh, yeah. Gold changing direction here. Ooh. That could be an interesting trade. And looks like silver's already broken out. We broke out, I think we looked at this, but I don't usually hawk the silver chart. Yeah, we did look at silver, I think before my vacation. Is FLGT going for it? A little bit. Rob says NIO. NIO, boom, 10%. There you go. And Baidu. Nice. All doing very, very well. Tesla, too. Add Tesla to that list. Up 4.5% today. New all-time high, 738. If this is a measured move, I'll take it. Man, I don't know what you can measure move this thing on. It's so... Okay, come on. Go away. Okay, let's take that leg and let's think this is the extension. That takes us up to 870-ish. If I can do that. And I don't even know if I can do that. I have no idea if I can do that with this type of a base setup, but I mean that is just tremendous bullish action. And I got to be honest with you guys, I mean, in terms of trading. I did mess up a little bit in my Tesla trade. I did get a little bit scared around this area on this jump below the 10-day. I did sell about quarter of my positions in one of my accounts. Actually, I think in the other account I sold a little bit as well. So I did make a mistake over here too. So don't feel too bad. I'm far from perfect. Just absolutely far from perfect. I'm just used. I think for me, I'm just so used to being. I'm so used to trading like shit that I try not to do the things that I used to do all the time. If that makes any sense. Like it's a long road to hoe, but sound like a guy who lives alone in a mansion. Like the audio, or just like me talking in the tone of my, and like just me. And I still want RTX voice. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Hey, you know what? I could be a guy that lives alone in a mansion one day, Ellie. You never know. Oh, that talk. Well, you guys know I got multiple accounts, so. Jeez, intraday on Tesla looks great. Nice. Go 9 hundo. I'll take it. Go 900. All right. I mean, what else is there to do other than watch Tesla destroy the market, and then we can watch all those other big caps. I don't know. Maybe roll some Tesla profits into some Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe. Although NIO is already going, I should just get some NIO. I do have some cash left, but I haven't even looked at an NIO trade. Not really. What's up, Peter? Why are you crying? KGKG? Yeah. I kind of like KGKG right here. Quite a bit, actually. Hey, what up, Ted? Everybody say hi to Ted. Joining us on the Real Stock stream. FLGT? You want to look at it? We can look at it. Yeah, nice trend change in KGKG. I think that's pretty good. Tesla going for it. Ted, I want to know why you won't buy a Tesla semi truck when it comes out. Seems right up your alley, man. That'd be amazing. I'd like to buy a Tesla semi. I'd like to turn it into an RV though. Too limited on the range? Okay, fair enough. I don't know. I was actually thinking about that a little bit a while ago. I'm like, why don't they just make that Tesla semi truck have like a? Yeah, he was Eli was saying that he that they time the mileage to about what a trucker could do in 8 hours because you have to brake by law anyways, and so they timed it. I don't know if that's true or not. Maybe he's just talking out of his ass, but not bad. All right, let's go check out the global watch list. We haven't looked at that in a while. Oh, look at that. NIO. ACB up a bunch here as well. It's Aurora Cannabis. Right blockchain. Soxel. What? Soxel moving out? Ooh, I may just need to buy some damn. I just mean buy a shit ton of Soxel. God damn it. I'd be up so much if I had that damn Soxel option still. My target was 300. It's at 500. Wow. Jeez. What's in the damn Soxel? We know Micron. Looks like AVGO's in Soxel. Okay, they're going up. Let me see here. There's a whole little list. Leaving options to run into expiration. Um, give me a scenario. Like, are you in a ton of profit or are you in a ton of loss? DAPXX. What the hell? They're in that. They're in QCOM. Oh, like Soxel. Um, I've never had a profitable option expire on me, to be honest with you. Um, I would just sell it just to avoid garbage. AVGO, Nvidia. Oh shit, Nvidia spike up. I need to get my damn trade back on. Okay. What? Okay. Come on. Don't fuck this up, Randy. That is a spike for the first trading day of the new year. And our daily volume. Wait for stock shed to open up here. 1.36. It's pretty heavy. No, that just happened, Rob. We already looked at this one today, and it wasn't doing anything. It was just flat to down again. But then we just had this big volume spike come in the prior 15 minutes. So okay, there we go. There's my watch list, my Nvidia trade, and why are you clocking again? Oh, there we go. I had it till March. I don't know if that's gonna be enough time. Yeah, the next one's out till June. I should just do June and not be so damn greedy. What's the June look like on this guy? I need more. I need more strike prices. 635. It's 370%. Yeah, ACBs doesn't look bad, Ellie. I don't think it looks bad. It's the it's second on the list today in terms of hell man, the global watch list. Yeah, I don't mind it at all actually. Nice long in the handle, supported by the 50-day. Oddly enough, we're below the 200-day, so it's yeah. I have no issues with that. That may be a good little trade overall. Probably have to give it a little while, but yeah, ACB's not bad. Looks like Tesla coming in a little bit. NAO still up there. Tilray looks really good right here. Do you remember? Do you guys remember last year? At the end of the year, all the MJs had this big spike. Look at that! Look at that spike that looks like small now. Look at that. Maybe that's afterwards, but they all had this big spike and did all year long did nothing. Is it me or does that stream seem like it was like 2 months ago? It's been a whole fucking year. Crazy. Absolutely bonkers. Anyway, I was thinking about that. I was thinking about that because in crypto we did something about the bottom being put in the first two like the first month of the year, the bottom or the top of the year being put in crypto, and maybe revisit that today. But this just made me think about that stream we did that ended up we popped up and that was it, and then then Corona hit and everything died. But yeah, I think a lot of these MJs right now are printing some good charts. We've been away for a while, and I think it's pretty good. Yeah, the accumulation video never happened, never transpired, but you know what you gonna do? What you gonna do? All right, man, that Soxel trade looking good. Um, go back to Nvidia. All right, got to figure that one out. So the break even 589 here, going out to June, is a pretty good trade. 256%. That's not bad. AMD, good question. Ho, spiking up. Bam. Sector's gone, guys. Sox is going to be at like a freaking 1,000. I had a 2023 call on Soxel. I took the farthest call out I could get and then sold it like a month later. What an idiot. I'm such an idiot. I would be so rich if I was like this good and a good trader too. Like, it's ridiculous. I look at all the shit that I do and I'm like, you're stupid. All right, NVIDIA. Let's do this. Oh it's ridiculous, Rob. It's ridiculous. No, it's more than that. It'd be like 20,000%. I did the analysis a couple of weeks ago, and this is even better than that, obviously at 500. So it was crazy. Okay, let's see here. All right, NVIDIA trade it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's on. It's not even a full size. I can't even. It's not even a full position size. Um. All right, NVIDIA, don't screw me up. Trigger is pulled. All right, now Ray, don't be an idiot and sell it in 3 hours. Wait a minute, what? Oh, stupid. It's only 12% of my account. Fuck. So heavy, Tesla. And then Riot Blockchain just killing it. I gotta say, Riot's having. I'm up huge in Riot. And that's just off the damn stock. Clean energy stocks? Do you have a specific one, Frank? I know there's an ETF. I don't know what it is off the top of my head. We also have what the heck is it? It starts with a B. BEC? No. BEN? It's in my little list here. TAN? Is that the ETF? What a horrible name for an ETF. Yeah, I think wow, look at that. Since coronavirus, things up 500%. Jeez. Yeah, these clean stocks are doing great, man. I don't know what's in them, but they're doing good. They're doing super good. Solar energy. Hey, what up, Nighthawk? Yeah, you mean on Tan? Oh yeah, absolutely. I wouldn't have bought Tan. I'm still not buying Tan. It's just pretty cool to see the moves that happen. Like what, looking at this one, what I say to myself all the time is like, okay, what would have got me into this thing? And the answer is nothing from a number of perspectives, but you look all the way here, And boom, you got kind of like a base right there with a breakout of it. And that's where your volume starts to increase right there at June for whatever reason. I have no idea. Like what changed in June? I have maybe these guys are big in Germany and they passed a big solar bill. I don't know, but that's when they really started getting going. All right. So the Litecoin ETF, which is the choppiest thing in the world and the lowest float thing in the world, is doing pretty good. Silver looking decent actually. GBTC, all right, gone 13%. Nice. GDLC, I still have no idea why this thing is lagging. This thing should be well into all-time highs. I have no idea what the deal is with this thing. KGKG looks really good. Frank, you got to put. We have semiconductor ETF. We have Soxel. If you have another one, the Soxel looks great. It just broke out like big time. Speaking of Soxel, there it is. Yeah, it's breaking up pretty good. Look at the volume this morning. Very, very nice. The Nasdaq flat. I have no idea what that means, Rob. Solo. Ring trying to break out of a shorter term turnaround play here. Supported the 200 period moving average. That could be good. Sand, this could be good too. Looks like it's found a local bottom at about the 6.5 or 7, I guess. And above 8, it's going to get above its 200 day. So Sand's looking pretty good. FLGT looking like it's on the right side of the trend now. Right, blockchain choppy for whatever stupid reason. Oh, fully reporting to the SEC. That's good. Baidu still looks good. Silver, we know, they're looking pretty good. Zoom, not looking very good. There's silver again. BEP, this is an individual one that you could do. BEP, they build massive alternative energy for infrastructure around the planet. So these guys do pretty good. Yeah, we found them in 2019, and at 20? At around 20? And now they're at 44. Pretty good for utility, basically. All right, Micron, boom. Talked about them breaking out on Friday. Again, earnings coming up, but I don't know, man. This market likes the sectors that this market likes, it likes a lot. By sand and snow. How about dirt and wind? AMD doing pretty good here. Bouncing up. MJ ETF, not looking horrible. Not looking too bad. All right, NVIDIA, holding pretty strong after a high volume morning. Let's go, NVIDIA. iRobot, Cena, IPHI. Huya even almost looks like a decent buy. GLD looking pretty good here too. BLFS in a pullback situation. Not much to do. Winnebago in a pullback. Regeneron. Corvo, whatever the hell this is. I think this is chips too. I don't know. Not horrible. AQB with the cup and handle. If you like engineered farmed salmon, there you go. Nice cup and handle. I do have an alert at 1024. WLDF. WDLF. Jeez. Okay. Yeah. Not horrible. Go for it. What's this one do again? Snip Interactive. Social Life Network. Mylink.com. MJLink.com? What the fuck? What does this thing do again, Rob? And I don't remember social media what though. That's what I don't remember. I hate trading these because trading this stupid platform I can't set my limit price. It's ridiculous. I can't buy a million of them, so I'm not even gonna bother. I'm not gonna bother, but that's pretty good if you have an easy way to actually order something. I don't think that's too bad. Yeah, that's probably why they're rolling. They talk here about an MJ Link. Announces 2 million registered users back in March. Enables businesses and professionals to grow knowledge, awareness to the most active online cannabis community in the world. I need to go public. I'm going public, guys. Let's do it. It'd just be a public YouTuber that has... How many people on my stream? I think my screen's timed out. I'm going to have to let it reload. 6. Usually it's about 6. Oh, 9. Wow. Fancy. See, 50% growth rate here at Real Stocks. So, all day long. All right, guys. NIO. Yeah, I think NIO is going for it. I don't know if I have an NIO trade on the table. I probably could get one in my cash account. Do we have an NIO trade on the table? I do. And it's probably been cut in half by now because I didn't buy it on Friday. It is May for 45 for a target of 95. Oh, that's still pretty good. 197%. I could do that, right? Ooh, close. I can do 1. Which one is it? May? I may get there before May, though. May. May is fine. And then we got whatever 1690 will allow me to buy. Oh, look, I can buy that one exactly, the 45. Yeah, it's fine. Like all the same percentage gain. What's the high? 57. Yeah, so I want to go lower. I gotta go, guys. Any websites to see stock sectors? Investors.com, finviz.com. Those are going to be your two, Frank, that are going to give you some decent sectors. Sectors actually differ depending on who you talk to. So, but I think investors.com has some of the best sectors out there, but you may have to pay to get that information. All right, guys, I got to bounce. You guys have a great day. I will see y'all tomorrow.